Hey Grill Masters, are you looking to elevate your backyard barbecue game with a dish that's equal parts delicious and entertaining? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make smoked pulled chicken. I know barbecue smoked pulled pork gets a lot of love, but this is equally as good and it's great for tacos, sandwiches, making in advance. Let's get in the kitchen and get to that chicken. It's important to start with dry chicken. You want the outside skin to be nice and dry, so pat it with some paper towel all over. Then it's time to massage with olive oil. Use a tablespoon, rub it all over the chicken, sprinkle on barbecue rub, and massage that into the skin. I love my meter thermometer. I'm an ambassador for their brand, and you can find all my favorite kitchen tools, including this thermometer, in the Amazon store. Links for that in the video description, but now is a good time to add in an internal read thermometer that you can track with your phone so you always know what temperature your chicken is. So this chicken cooks in the Traeger smoker at 250 for an hour and a half. It's not done at that point. It'll be about 130 degrees Fahrenheit. At that time, you want to crank it up to 375 and cook until the internal temperature is 165 degrees Fahrenheit.
Gorgeous.
Then it's time to take it out. You definitely want to let it rest. It's going to be very hot. So after about 20 minutes, I hope you have some of those heat-proof gloves or tongs.
It looks like an animal.
Oh, that came apart nicely.
You want to carefully pull apart the chicken. Make sure to remove all of the bones. There are a lot of little bones in chicken that can kind of get lost in the mix. So definitely go through all of the pieces. And once that's all set, drench it all with about half a cup of barbecue sauce or as much as you'd like, and serve up your pulled chicken with whatever. Do some chicken on buns, sliders, or in tacos. You can find more barbecue sides and other things to serve it with at SipBiteGo.com, plus other whole chicken recipes. I have so many creative ones waiting there for you. Till next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!